Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by enabling the speech-to-text API and creating a service account with the minimal roles you need. Once done, download the JSON key and set the environment variable Google application credentials to that file path. Next, install or update the G-Cloud SDK and authenticate with G-Cloud Auth Activate Service account. This gets credentials and network access ready. Make sure billing is enabled on the project so requests won't be rejected. Now you have the first actionable components in place. You now construct the recognition request. Pick the right model for accuracy versus cost, for example video for multi-channel media. Then prepare audio to spec. Convert to 16-bit PCM or FLAC, set sample rate at or above 16 kHz, and prefer a GCS URI for large files. Configure recognition config fields like language code, encoding, sample rate hertz, and enable automatic punctuation to improve readability. When streaming, open a bidirectional gRPC. You finish by testing end-to-end with a short clip and validating the transcript against expectations. Once validated, batch longer jobs or enable streaming for real time. Make sure to use speech context for specialized terms and adjust max alternatives if you need variants. If things fail, check IAM permissions, billing, and quotas first. For transient issues, retry with exponential backoff. For persistent errors, inspect error codes and logs. Finally, monitor usage and optimize model choice to control cost and quality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.